Hi YouTube fam, how my beautiful ones doing out there? I am so excited to see you in 2018. Yay! If this is your first time to this channel, welcome. Mwah! But if you are already a family member, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Yay! I appreciate you. Yay! Now, I am going to show you how to do a beautiful centerpiece just in time for either a Valentine's Day party or a Valentine wedding. From now until Valentine's Day, I'm going to be showing you some centerpieces that you can do on your own that is very inexpensive. Okay, you ready? Let's get started. The supplies you would need for this tutorial are you would need 14 cans, and you can purchase these by buying some green beans, corn, yams, ham, whatever, you name it. Okay, and you will also need some beads. You can purchase these beads at the Dollar Tree or 99-cent store. I got these from the 99-cent store. You would need at least 4 bundles of flowers. Red, since this is Valentine's Day, I got them red ones. You can get red, yellow, or pink. You would also need some floral foam balls, some stickers, at least 3 tea lights. You can get them in silver, white, red, glue gun, scissors. First, we're going to glue the beads onto the can. Now we're going to take the box cutter and cut both balls in half. And this will be the top. Let's see, where's the half part? Oh, I guess we'll make it right here. And this will be the top of the centerpiece. Now we're going to glue our roses on top of each of the foam, half of foam balls. Okay fam, I just want to show you 5 things you can purchase from the Dollar Tree just in time for Valentine's Day. Okay, you ready? Okay, number 1 is this beautiful Valentine tray. Number 2 is some decorative heart stickers and some letters. Number 3, you can also find these great vases that says love on it. Number 4, you can buy some rose petals, either in red or pink. Number 5, a giant diamond ring. A diamond ring. Okay, you guys, there's 5 things you can go out and purchase just in time for Valentine's Day. Until next time, bye-bye. And don't forget to press that subscribe button. Don't forget to press that subscribe button and like button. Till next video. Bye bye, fam. Be beautiful as always.